Right, welcome to Bespoke Flooring Solutions Limited. Another video how to demonstrate welding. This is how we do the hot welding between the two sheets of vinyl flooring. Each vinyl comes in 2 meters, so the moment you have a room which is more than 2 meters, so you back join it, you groove it, and then you do the heat welding. Simply just put the weld rod through the nozzle and make sure the heat system is around 400 or 450 degrees, and you just go along and weld it 0 mile an hour. Keep an eye on the gap, make sure it doesn't get burned, and once it's done you just put the spatula right in, make sure it doesn't burn the vinyl surface. Let it cool for 1 minute. There are 2 different types of spatula. You can use this one or you can use the other one, which has a slider within it, so you don't have to use a separate slider. I really like to use this, it's quite nice. Right now I'm using the spatula, so 50% of the weld rod is off, and now I'm taking the spatula off. Now I'm using the actual sharp blade. Press it down and just push it along, and that will trim the weld rod off. If you don't have this tool, you can always use a spatula with a slider, and that's the gap between the 2 vinyl got welded, and that's how it's gonna look like, and it's water resistant now and it's looking nice and neat. That's how we do the hot welding for the vinyl flooring. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much. Subscribe to Bespoke Flooring Solutions. Bye bye.